Okay, guys. So we are still on the worship guitar series. So for many of you that didn't watch a whole lot of lessons I've done so far on the worship guitar series. So you go ahead and watch videos like this, and this other one. So go ahead and watch it. Okay, I can send the link to you on the comment section. You can go ahead and watch it. So for today, we're still going to continue with the worship series. I have a whole lot about the worship, how you can approach worship songs to sound cool and sounds awesome. Okay, so for today's lesson, I'm going to show you some licks or some fuels you're gonna fuel in when you are approaching a gospel worship songs. Okay, to sounds better and sounds good. You don't need to play too much. Okay, one of the things you need to understand about worship section is that you don't have to play too much. All you have to do is to hold the atmosphere. It's for you to make sure the atmosphere is very okay for the worshipers and the rest. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to show you some tips, some licks you need to keep practicing, okay, to help you spice up that. Okay, so we're going to be still be using the song you used the other time on this lesson. Okay, before then, if you know that it's the first time you're coming across my video, do wait to hit on the subscribe button. Okay, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this. Okay, if you like the video, smash on the like button. If you have any challenges, do wait to hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible. And if you want to join my online class, do wait to chat me on the WhatsApp, on the number on the WhatsApp on the screen there. Okay, I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. Okay, so all right, guys, without wasting much of time, let's move straight to the video. Okay, welcome back. So we'll be doing the lesson in the key of B. This is the key of B. All right, so here is the key of B. On the fifth string, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, that's a B major chord. Okay, we have the B sus2 chord, like I said in my previous video. Okay, so the first thing I want you to learn, the first lick I want to learn is something like this. Now you can have the key of B in this other shape. Okay, you can have it in this other shape. That's the key of B. Now you can have it here also. So what you have to do is just practice your major scale all over the fretboard, okay, so that you can be able to understand how it works, okay, and how you can figure out your playing very well as a beginner, as an intermediate guitarist. Okay, so at first learn this first lick. It's very simple. Okay, it's very simple. Like I said in my previous video, as a guitarist, you have to make sure you learn how you can play your hammer-on, slot, stuff like that. Okay, that will give you a very good dexterity and a very good harmony whenever you are improvising over a song. Okay, you need to slide your notes like that. Okay, so that's the first one. So what I played there was this is do, sol, la, mi, re, do, re, ti, la, sol, do, re, ti, la, sol. Okay, but I make it more harmonizing. Okay, by hammering from the sol to the la. Okay, just like that. Okay, then make a pull on from the mi, re, do to the do. Okay, then I hammer on again from the do and the re. So I want you to go ahead and practice that, okay? Go ahead and practice that, whether with the acoustic or electric guitar. Just make sure you practice that very well, okay? All right. So the second one is like this. You know, one of the things that makes other guitarists sounds more better and professional than you is as a result of, you know, the way they approach their notes, the way they make their notes sounds. So you too can also do it, okay? You can also do it. So all you just need is learning. All you just need is consistent. All you just need is practice. Make sure you practice hard, okay? Okay. Re, mi, re, mi. Make sure you vibrate on your note, okay? This is called vibrato. La, ti, o, ti. So when going to the T, I hammer on from the La and the T. La, di, o, ti. Hammer on from the T to the Do, okay? Okay. Make a pull on from T, La, So, okay? Okay, so that's the second one. The third one is like, okay. So that's it. So I played So, La, So, Do, Re, Mi, So. I played the same thing again in another octave. It's the same thing. So, Do, Re, Mi, So. Okay, so that's it. So, Do, Re, So, Do, Re, Mi, So. Okay, so that's the third one. Okay, so go ahead and practice them. So in my next video, I'm gonna make a lesson on how to apply them. I'm gonna make a lesson on how to apply them, so you see how you can apply them. Okay, so the last one go like this. So there are songs that when you play, you just need some simple notes, to spice it up, to vibrate it up. Okay. Okay. Either you play that one or you play. Okay, so what I played there, the first one was So, Mi, but I slide from the Re to the Mi, okay? You have vibrate over it. This one going to be, the second string going to be Re, T, okay? Slide from the La to the T, okay? Then I made a pull on from T, La, So. Okay, so the next lick, the fifth lick I played was so this one now you can use it, when the chord, you can use it, to spice up the chord progression. How the chord progression is going, you just use it to spice up the chord progression, okay? This is Ti do, Ti do, Ti do. At T, I hammer on from the Do, okay? Ti do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, Re, Mi, So. Okay, if the song is going to So, you play Mi, Re, Do, La, Do, Re, Mo, Re, Do. you can play re, mi, re. Okay. All right, guys. So that's it. That's it. Wherever you don't understand, hit on the comment section.